Hey there, in this video I'll be showing you how to find anybody's phone number simply based on their LinkedIn URL. So you'll notice that in my database right here, like I have a couple more fields like their lead name or the lead's name, their phone number, the company they work at, their company URL, and everything that you see here. But really all you need to find somebody's phone number would be their LinkedIn URL. So let me quickly show you how by using one of Clay's built-in features, you can quickly and very cost effectively find somebody's phone number. So we go here, create or add a new column, add enrichment. Here we type in mobile phone. Then I like to use the global option just because it has the most coverage. Then I also like to reorganize these by cheapest, just so we're not throwing money away and we're going with the cheapest options first. So there you go, and just rotate those. And then really the last thing that you can do, if you do have any of these API calls or any, like you already use these tools for other things, for example, like Prospero, you might have a subscription for, we have a subscription for LeadMagic. It'll automatically pull the your API key that you have with them, or you could also just double check and make sure that you connect yours, because it comes out a lot cheaper that way. You'll notice the only link that we're doing here is the prospect LinkedIn URL, and we will keep auto update turned on, and we would just right away turn this on. And let me quickly show you what that looks like on our end. All right, great. So now let's just go run verse 10 because that's everything we have. And then in this view, you don't see what's happening in the backend. If you ever wanted to, you could easily press on this waterfall here, and then you'll see at which step, which provider gave us that phone number. So you'll notice we got a few from the first, we got 3 in the first tool. For the cheapest here, for this data source, I think, yeah, People Data Labs, they don't give you the phone number, they sort of give you all the information about the person. So, but if it didn't continue, we know we got the phone number there. And then, yeah, so we didn't even get into the expensive phone numbers, and we got all the phone numbers that we would have wanted almost automatically. Like that took a couple seconds for us to run. But yeah, so I just want to quickly film this 3-minute video, show you how to find phone numbers if you ever needed to. And that's that. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.